When it comes to luxury cars, reliability is a tricky topic. No car is reliable if it's neglected, and maintenance is not the same thing as unreliability. A car needing regular service doesn't automatically mean it's fragile. The real question is, which luxury cars actually hold up when properly maintained, and which ones will leave you stranded no matter what you do? In this video, I'm breaking down 5 luxury cars that are genuinely reliable and won't drain your bank account with constant repairs if you take care of them. Let's get into it. Starting strong, we're kicking things off with a BMW, but not just any BMW. While the brand doesn't always have a reputation for bulletproof reliability, the 540i with the B58 engine is a clear exception. The B58 is widely considered one of BMW's best inline-six engines ever built. Unlike older turbo engines that became known for issues over time, the B58 is smooth, durable, and designed for longevity. It even powers the Toyota Supra, which says a lot about how much confidence Toyota has in this engine. The 540i's 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six produces 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, pushing it from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds. You get real BMW performance without the nightmare maintenance costs of full-blown M cars. Paired with the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, the driving experience is smooth, responsive, and refined. One of the biggest reasons the B58 holds up so well is its improved cooling system. Older BMWs often struggled with overheating due to weak plastic components, but the B58's design manages heat far more effectively, reducing long-term failures. The fuel system is another major upgrade. Earlier turbo engines like the N54 were infamous for high-pressure fuel pump failures. The B58 fixed this with stronger pumps and more reliable injectors. With proper maintenance, regular oil changes, coolant services, and basic care, B58-powered cars can easily exceed 150,000 miles with minimal issues. This engine isn't fragile, but it also won't tolerate neglect. Compared to rivals, this BMW strikes a rare balance. Some competitors develop electrical problems over time, while others come with brutal repair costs. The 540i delivers performance, luxury, and reliability in one well-rounded package. Inside, the 540i offers high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a clean, intuitive tech setup. The digital displays, infotainment system, and driver assistance features enhance the experience without overcomplicating things. On the road, it's smooth, but still engaging. The steering feels natural, the handling is confidence-inspiring, and it works just as well for daily commutes as it does for long road trips. Yes, it's still a BMW, so maintenance isn't cheap. Ignoring service will lead to expensive repairs, and parts aren't budget-friendly. But unlike many luxury cars, the 540i doesn't randomly hit you with massive surprise repair bills. Depreciation is also more forgiving, as the B58's reputation keeps demand high on the used market. It may not be perfect, but it's fast, comfortable, and reliable enough that you're not constantly worried about breakdowns. Next up is another German entry that often surprises people, the Mercedes-AMG C43. AMG usually means serious performance paired with serious maintenance costs, but the C43 is different. It blends power, luxury, and reliability in a way most performance sedans struggle to match. It doesn't chase the extreme image of its bigger siblings, but that's exactly why it works so well. The C43 strikes an ideal balance between daily usability and performance. Under the hood is the M276 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 385 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. It hits 0 to 60 in around 4.6 seconds, delivering strong acceleration without becoming overwhelming. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing through twisty roads, it feels composed and controlled. Despite the performance, Mercedes managed to keep the ride comfortable. The suspension smooths out rough roads while still offering sharp handling when you push it. Inside, the cabin is exactly what you'd expect. Premium materials, supportive seats, and a clean tech layout that doesn't feel cluttered or confusing. Reliability is one of the C43's strongest traits. While it's still a performance-oriented car, it doesn't suffer from the constant issues you might expect. The engine and transmission have proven to be dependable, especially compared to more extreme performance models. Maintenance is still required, but it's far more manageable than many competitors in this segment. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction in all conditions, and the steering feels precise and engaging. It's not just fast in a straight line, it's genuinely fun to drive. The C43 manages to deliver excitement without sacrificing peace of mind, which is rare in this category. Now let's talk about Audi, a brand that's had its fair share of reliability nightmares. But the B8.5 S4 stands out as one of the good ones. Often overshadowed by its German rivals, this car deserves far more credit than it gets. It's practical, comfortable, quick, and surprisingly dependable. The B8.5 generation refined what already worked well before it. Powered by a 3.0-liter supercharged V6, making around 333 horsepower, it delivers strong performance without feeling stressed. It hits 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, yet remains perfectly livable as a daily driver. The all-wheel drive system gives it excellent grip in any weather, and the interior offers high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a clean, understated design. You also get decent trunk space, making it far more practical than its performance numbers suggest. Reliability is where this S4 really shines. It avoids many of the long-term problems that plagued other performance sedans. With proper maintenance, it can run smoothly for years without turning into a money pit. Audi struck a rare balance here. Strong performance without sacrificing durability or comfort. Next on the list is a true icon, the Porsche 911 Carrera from the 991 generation. While not every generation of this car has been perfect, the 991 earned a reputation for durability and everyday usability. It blends heritage, performance, and reliability better than almost anything else in its class. Powered by a 3.4-liter flat six producing around 350 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 60 in roughly 4.4 seconds. Despite its performance credentials, it's surprisingly practical. This is a car you can drive every day, not just on weekends. The handling is exceptional, thanks to advanced chassis systems and near-perfect balance. It feels planted and confident whether you're attacking corners or cruising on the highway. More importantly, it's built with longevity in mind. Compared to earlier versions, this generation saw major improvements in both engine and transmission reliability. Ownership costs aren't cheap, but they're more reasonable than many expect. Parts are expensive, but they're built to last. When you factor in strong resale value and long-term durability, it becomes a surprisingly smart investment. Finally, we reach the most reliable luxury car on this list. The Lexus IS 500. When it comes to long-term dependability, Lexus sets the standard. The IS 500 proves you can have real performance without sacrificing reliability. At its heart is a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8, producing 472 horsepower. It hits 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds, delivering strong acceleration and an unmistakable V8 sound. Unlike many modern engines, this one doesn't rely on complicated systems that fail over time. This engine is proven, durable, and relatively simple to maintain. Lexus built it with longevity in mind, and it shows. The transmission is smooth, the ride is comfortable, and the rear-wheel drive layout keeps things engaging. Inside, you get premium materials, supportive seats, and a refined but modern cabin. Advanced safety features add peace of mind, and build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Lexus. The IS 500 doesn't just perform well, it lasts. Many owners report minimal issues even after years of ownership. It offers a rare combination of excitement and dependability, making it one of the safest bets in the luxury segment. So, there you have it. 5 luxury cars that prove you don't have to sacrifice reliability for performance and comfort. Take care of them, stay on top of maintenance, and they'll reward you for years. Which one would you choose?